Good morning, students. Let's continue chapter 1, that is story of village Palampur. Now the last topic of this chapter is that is non-farm activities in village Palampur. As we have studied in this chapter, 75% of the families are engaged in agriculture only, the main activity of the village. Now, the remaining 25% families are doing what? This is, they are doing non-farm. Non-farm means except agriculture. They are doing other activities. What are those activities? Let us divide all these activities into 4 parts. First is dairy. Dairy farming. Dairy farming. Do you know, we have studied in lower classes dairy products, milk and milk products like cheese, butter, ghee, meat, then so many other non-veg items are there. That comes from dairy farming. Dairy farming means farmers keep animals. What kind of animals? Like cows, buffaloes, goats, etc. Now, when they keep these types of animals, they provide us milk. And not only they provide us milk, but they are also very useful. Like the wastage of, that is cow dung, that is also used as a manure. First, they provide us milk. Second, that is their waste can be used as a manure. Third is, the females of the family are also engaged in rearing of animals. Then the females also get employment. Female get employment. So these are the benefits of having dairy farming, which is an extra source of income. Even the farmers, those who are doing agriculture also, they can also opt for dairy farming. It increases their source of income. Second is, that is small scale manufacturing. Small scale manufacturing. Manufacturing means to make something. In village Palampur, people are not having big companies or industries or production unit. There is a small scale manufacturing. Near about 50 people are engaged. 50 people, not percentage. 50 people or 50 families are engaged in small scale manufacturing. Like one example is there. Main, like the people of Palampur are growing sugarcane also. This sugarcane earlier was converted into jaggery. Sugarcane to jaggery. Jaggery means good. Have you ever tasted? Good. I am very fond of good. Now, this sugarcane is converted into jaggery or gur with the help of bullocks or animals. That is simple type of manufacturing. But now one person is there, that is Cream in village Palampur. He has purchased one sugarcane crushing machine. This sugarcane crushing machine converts sugarcane to jaggery. Now the people from the neighboring villages also come to Cream, and he has also hired some labor. So the employment has increased. Third is, that is, first is dairy farming, small scale manufacturing. Then next is transport. Here is transport. Some people, those who are keeping animals like bullocks, buffaloes, they are taking milk from them also. They are using their byproducts also. They are using their wastage also. Females are also getting employment. Moreover, they are using it as a means of transport also. Like one example is there, Mishri Lal. Mishri Lal has purchased one buffalo with the help of cheap loan facilities provided by the government. Now, with this buffalo, he is getting milk, he is selling milk also, and he is using this buffalo as a means of transport by attaching his wooden cart, and he transport loads like jaggery or other crops of the village to other villages, and he brings clay from the neighboring countries for the potter also. This also increases income of Mishri Lal. Last non-farm production activities, that is uh, fourth one is running coaching center. Running coaching center. Now one person in the village has observed the people, those who have cleared their seniors candy, they are going for computer training to the near village. So the idea comes in his mind. He purchased one computer and set up a computer center in his house only. The room which is door was open to the road. That room is converted into a computer center. He has purchased the computer, he has set up his computer center, and for running that computer center, he has hired 2 women of the village who were having computer degree. Now the people, not only from his own village, from the neighboring village also come to join his computer center. So these are the main non-farm production activities going on in village Palanpur: dairy farming, small scale manufacturing, transportation, and running shops or running coaching centers.